The sky tonight has no more clouds, but somehow fire falls like rain. Blue skies burning red again, while life goes on the same. People watch for just a while and slowly turn away. The war becomes a distant sound that fades into the day. They stood here once with voices loud, promising the world would change. But time moves fast and crowded streets erase the echoes of the pain.
Footsteps fade on silent roads, stories lost in passing days. Memories fall like dust in wind and disappear in haze. We were not the ones who fell, facing fire in the night. We just watched the distant flames burning far from the sides. Sympathy in quiet eyes, tears that never stay. Morning comes and life returns and carries us away.
Fire rain falling from the sky, little dreams, blood and how we fly. Fire rain washing through the land, life goes on like it was planned. Fire rain echoes in the air, but tomorrow no one cares.
Ashes drift across the wind from stories never told, laughter from another time. Now memories growing old.
This earth remembers every step, every drop that fell. But cities wait to neon lights and never stop to tell.
Lights can break and still move on, like nothing ever changed. History becomes a song that time will rearrange. Again.